My PhD was all about the national security implications of pandemics. So essentially how a pandemic's going to go and take down a country. I fully agree that when people die during a pandemic, it's very, very sad, but that wasn't the focus of my PhD. It was essentially all about if the country is going to be attacked by a disease, how do we go about making sure that it's just as strong at the conclusion of that pandemic event? So we utilized parts of that PhD thesis, the doctoral thesis, and incorporated them into the software platform called the Global Strategic Operations Center, which you can see over my shoulder to the right. This software platform essentially allows us to unleash any sort of crisis anywhere in the world, challenging student delegates to respond to those crises, not just acknowledging it, but sort of outlining how they're going to ensure that the major national security implications don't affect the country, if not the region or the world. We've been utilising it at Bond University for about 4 years now. It was also the subject of an Australian Federal Government Office of Learning and Teaching grant, which was essentially designed to work out just what the pedagogical value or the educational value of the use of this software ultimately is. The results of that were that it certainly added to the development of employability skills for students, mainly because students were more likely to respond to the stimulus of the screen than simply a piece of paper, which in the traditional crisis committee, the information is usually just passed along via paper. With this characterization in front of them, students usually respond far more passionately.